All right, so another case study here. This is a $100,000 flip using our off-market deal system, and this is in Orange, California with my buddy Ryan. So I wanted to just put this on the channel. I'm, documenting all these different results that I can, and I just want to share this with you. So this was I'll have to get the exact dates and stuff below here, but yeah, this was in January of 2021, and the client, Ryan, ended up acquiring this deal on the 5th of February, so in 21 days. Or actually, I think that's a little bit less, but basically, here's a video of him talking about this deal. Oh, I already have it up.
Sold it for a $100,000 profit. Follow us to find out how we did it and to learn more.
So that's that video, and then if you go to my profile too, I did a reel back in the day. We actually went to the property, so this is one of them that we were at. Let's see if it loads. Sometimes the reels don't load for whatever reason, and if it doesn't, I'll just go back to the video. But basically, this was in Orange, California. Like he said, I think he got it for 305 and sold it for 527 and profited around 100K. I don't know if this reel is going to load, but we did a video actually physically at the property, and I had a ponytail and super long hair, so it would have been cool for you guys to see that. Let's see if it pops up again. I don't know why the reels don't load, but okay. So yeah, basically that's that. And you can call him and ask him if it's real. And we took the listing photos for it. So yeah, this was right here. So basically, yeah, the condition was terrible. It was like, yeah, it was trash basically. And these are just some of the notes. And so yeah, as he said, there were tenants inside, and the landlord was working on an eviction. And you can see basically the lead came into our system. He booked an appointment as well automatically. And then he actually missed the appointment. And this is why you need automation and follow-up systems in place, because, people will fill out long forms, book appointments, and still not remember what they did or forget about the appointment. So never take the appointment as, oh, they booked an appointment and they're just going to show up and I'm just going to close the deal. That's with today's world and technology and all the different things that people are looking at online. I mean, someone could fill something out and then, an hour later they've watched, hundreds of videos and literally forgot. So there's actually some interesting studies and stuff about that. But anyway, he reached back out, and then they ended up reconnecting here. And then, yeah, this is basically just the deal. So yeah, this was a good one. Orange, California, 100K profit. And let's see if this reel still didn't load. But yeah, you could go on. Oh, there we go. So if we go down to my reels, here we go. So you can see us here.
So we acquired this lead through a Facebook ad, obviously provided by Quinn, a new breed agent. This lead is basically exactly what we're looking for. The property was in major distress. Tenant was not paying, and the landlord basically just wanted to get rid of the property. So we were able to step in, help that landlord, give him a solution that works for both of us, obviously. So we could show you the property and what it looks like before and after. So we acquired this lead through.
So that was it. And I'm not even in that video, but I'm in the longer one on my YouTube, and there's me with my long hair. So that's it for this video. If you're an investor and you want to work with us, there's a few different ways you can do so. You can go click the link down below in the description, and we can either chat or you can use our software and, learn more about that. So anyway, hope you have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.